Hello my lovelies, thank you for joining me and welcome back to my channel. I am actually doing this feature of representing some black owned brands or some small businesses that are in and around the Greater Manchester area. But firstly I would like to introduce to you a company called Smudge Ink. They are one of my dearest friends that actually opened up the business, and she created this Crafts for Kids line, and I currently have the Easter egg hunt Crafts for Kids box. Inside the box you will find the Smudge Ink Easter egg hunt contents leaflet, as well as any suggestions that you might like to add and any warning information that you may need to know. There's also a little thank you leaflet, some placement cards for you to write any hints on, these lovely beautiful wooden egg holders, 6 wooden eggs, 4 paint pots with various different colours. Mine included yellow, white, blue and orange, and 2 paintbrushes. This is all the contents right here. So I also have a discount code for you, which is CG25, and that gives you 25% off the total price of the kits. For your chance to win this kit, all you have to do is click on the link in this description box below, which will give you all the information that you need to win the box.